How to add friends on Venmo. Want to split bills, send quick payments, and share funny transactions with friends on Venmo? First, you'll need to add them, and this video shows you 3 ways to do it in under 60 seconds. Open the Venmo app and make sure you're on the home screen. You can also do this on the website like we're doing now. Tap the search bar at the top and type your friend's Venmo username. If the username matches, you'll see their profile appear. Tap Add Friend to send a friend request. You can also do this. Tap the search bar at the top and tap the scan icon. It looks like a QR code next to the search bar. Ask your friend to open their Venmo app and tap their profile picture. They will see their unique QR code. Scan your friend's QR code with your phone's camera. A friend request will be automatically sent. And there you have it. Remember, you'll need to accept your request before you can start sending Venmo payments between your friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Venmo tips and tricks.